We're very excited about our Spring Connection this year. We have 73 employers, which is a record, and we have over 700 students in attendance.
Every detail matters, from the resume to interview prep to career and industry awareness, and this is just another aspect of the student building their professional development that can really help them get that interview and hopefully a job full time.
At the Spring Connection, I meet a lot of great students, and that's where we find a lot of our summer interns, and in general, we hire typically close to 30 students from Temple a year.
This is probably one of our best events. I say that every year, but it keeps getting better and better and better. I walk around, talk to all of the employers that are here, and they have nothing but great things to say about our students. Students have all been CSPD'd in advance, so they've been through our workshops, resume critique, all dressed professionally, which is a requirement, registered in advance, so they really know what they're doing when they talk to the employer. Good introductions, they know what they're recruiting for, so they have a great conversation.